In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import Trello boards into ClickUp step by step. If you're switching from Trello to ClickUp or managing projects across both tools, this built-in importer makes the entire process fast and automatic. The best part is that it brings over your lists, cards, members, due dates, and even attachments without you having to manually recreate anything. By the end of this video, you'll have your Trello board fully migrated into ClickUp and organized properly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. All right, let's get started. Step 1 is opening the ClickUp import tool. First, log into your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your workspace, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your workspace avatar. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Inside the Settings panel, find and select Imports and Exports. Then click on Import. You'll now see a list of platforms you can import from. Choose Trello from the options. Step 2 is connecting your Trello account. Click on Connect Trello. A new window will open asking you to log into your Trello account if you're not already signed in. Enter your Trello credentials and continue. Trello will then ask you to authorize ClickUp to access your boards. Review the permissions and click Allow Access. This step is necessary so ClickUp can read your boards and transfer the data properly. Once connected, ClickUp will automatically display all of your Trello boards inside the importer. Step 3 is selecting the board you want to import. From the list shown, choose the specific Trello board you'd like to move into ClickUp. After selecting it, you'll need to choose where in ClickUp the board should be imported. ClickUp uses a hierarchy structure of workspace, space, folder, and list. You'll select the destination location within this structure. As a best practice, especially if you're importing multiple boards, I recommend creating a new space called Imported from Trello. This keeps everything organized and makes it easier to review your migrated content before merging it into your main workflow. Step 4 is configuring the import options. The good news is that ClickUp automatically maps your Trello data to the correct structure. Your Trello board will become a space or list depending on how you import it. Trello lists will become ClickUp lists. Trello cards will convert into ClickUp tasks. Any checklists inside cards will turn into subtasks. Trello members will automatically map to assignees in ClickUp, as long as those users exist in your workspace. Due dates remain due dates, and attachments will also transfer over automatically. Carefully review the mapping to ensure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, click Import to begin the process. Step 5 is waiting for the import to complete. The amount of time this takes depends on the size of your Trello board. A small board might take anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds. Larger boards with many cards, attachments, and members could take a few minutes. During the process, ClickUp will show a progress indicator. Once it's finished, you'll see your entire Trello board recreated inside ClickUp, with tasks, lists, and details fully intact. At this point, I recommend quickly reviewing your imported space or list to confirm everything transferred correctly. Check task descriptions, attachments, due dates, and assigned members. If everything looks good, you're officially migrated. And that's it. That's how you import Trello boards into ClickUp using the built-in importer. It's quick, automatic, and preserves your project structure so you can continue working without interruption. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.